Hello. Welcome to Thula Academy. In Thula Academy, actually we have a lot of educational features. The study room and the virtual campus study room. You can go to the study room and create curriculum here. And you can upload any document you have, like textbook or anything, or you can adhere your subject. Then simply create a study pen directly. Then you will see an assessment paper. You have to do that because the app is determining your current level. After that, you can submit your answers. You will receive a grading report and a module plan. Let's go to the moderate pane. If we can see the mechanic one here, you will see like this, the teaching plan. According to your current level and the curriculum scopes. So when you go to unlock, you will see the teaching. Like this. If you have any question in a certain page, you can type here and get the answer from our live tutors. And also you can learn using live voice chat. Similar to live chatting, so I will teach you live. Using their voice, also you can interact with the app using your voice. Like this, you will see the teaching across the entire module. This is adaptive. The app always testing you. Understanding, then planning the next steps. So don't be late. You can purchase our packages from www.dtura.com.